Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make smoke camera with your mouth, like that. If you don't saw it, that's okay. If you don't saw it, you can put it in that direction. But in the first ball, like I'm gonna show you, in the first ball doing it like that, not like that. Do not do it like that. You can do it like that, and you can close your mouth do it like that. You can take your breath like that. Like that, and put it in your mouth like that. You're gonna push that really very hard, like that. If you decide, that's okay. If you decide, bye guys. Bye guys. I love you guys. If you like it, hit this button in the like below. If you don't like it, you can hit like dislike. And if you if you if you if you need to subscribe for me, you can put in here description below, and you can see how to make the paper airplanes and how to do the smoke, everything, the tricks. And bye guys, I love you guys. Bye.